We're about to show you how to install these RGB lights by replacing the DRL boards on the C-class. This is a 2019 C63 AMG. About to see if we can do it for it. Here we go. First thing you're gonna do is turn your wheel all the way to the right. There's gonna be two little things on the side. You're gonna need a long flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need a long flathead screwdriver. Just twist both of those things to unlock them. You should be able to pull the panel up and out, just like this. Which is gonna open up this little board right here. Now you're gonna need to get the little star wrench, Allen key.
I'm gonna hand you these, do not lose them.
Once you guys take these screws out, be very careful, bro. Be very careful once you guys take these screws out. There's three of them. There's going to be one on each side on the bottom and one on the top. Sorry, bro. Now once you guys take that out, you gotta be very gentle with this board now. Thing costs $6,000 Canadian money. The DRL board might be glued to the piece. Being as gentle as you can, you're gonna want to try to pop it up. But as you can see, it's a lot easier said than done. These German cars are no joke. Alright guys, before you try to take out the board, make sure you remove the screw that's holding the board in, alright? It'll probably help out a little bit. So we got Will removing the screw now. So now
it might possibly come out.
Yeah, it might come out now. So let's see. Moment of truth. Because we were really struggling for a second. Oh, look at that!
Here, hold this.
It just slides out. No way. So after you guys take out the factory DRL board, you're gonna slap this one in the same exact way that the other one came out. Make sure you be very careful. Put that little screw back in there. Then we'll hook this back up. Then we'll do the other side. Slap the other DRL board in there. Hook that one back up. Then we'll get to the wiring process. Here we go. Once you guys get those factory boards out and the upgraded ones put back in, you're just gonna put that piece back in just like you got it, carefully, gently, and you'll do the same thing to the other side. You're gonna feed this piece through here. Got that. Now we got this wire here. We're gonna do the same thing. This board and this here by taking these three screws out. Gonna turn the wheel to the other way. You can see there's no light, but you got these two locks right here. Just turn those, unlock those, turn the wheel back to the other way. Push this in and up, and it should pop out. Then you can unscrew these two bottom screws. Get the top one, take out the factory board, smack this board in there, feed this wire through the other side, just like this one is, and then we'll show you how to hook it up to the battery. First, we're gonna take this big old plastic piece off, right?
Right, because this don't work. You guys.
That door don't work. Or not, the door works. The door is operatable. Alright?
You know how to talk?
The board.
Nice cut, G.
The door is operable. Alright?
Operable.
I don't know the word. The door works. Okay?
bro.
So you're gonna take that piece off the battery there. Don't
Hold
let
that.
the wires touch each other. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm hearing sparks. Be careful. Be careful here. So you're gonna put the red wire onto there. Whoa, what the fuck? My finger got hot.
Not even connected
Hold
to
this.
a live source.
So you're gonna hook up the red wire
Camera, tell him to shut the hell up.
to right here. Still got
Quit
the,
getting my fingers all up and close and personal.
oh, my fault. So we still got the black one in our hands, okay? We'll tighten down the red wire behind those 3 screws right there. Oh, whoa. And if you see sparks, that means it's working, okay? Don't get scared. That means you're doing a good job, and just keep doing what you're doing. Alright? So
If you don't see sparks, that's an issue.
you need to take off the ground bolt for the ground wiring. As you can see, that mug is no joke. Oh, yeah. Keep going. So we got the, what the heck is that? Got the ground bolt off. Put the little black wire on there. Wait, connect the ground wire first.
I watched the video, it's fine.
Wait a second.
Chat! Did we
Wait.
fry the system?
Wait a second. Connect the ground wire first. Oh shit. All right, chat. We'll get back to you in a couple seconds. We'll get back. Say connect ground wire first. What did we do? When did I notice those 4 words? Was when we connected the ground wire second. So let's see if it makes a difference, okay? The car may be up in flames here. The next clip, the car may be up in flames. So we'll see. We'll get back to you. Here we go. We got the ground wire on this thing now. Got both of them hooked up. Screw in this thing. Screw in the thing from that. Okay. We got quoted $250 for this, bro.
Hold on.
So we fuck around, did it ourselves, and made a video out of it. Come on. That bitch crazy. It probably looks crazy at nighttime in the dark. Watch, we'll get it.
Hold on. I need to do
We finna be outside all day tomorrow, bro.
Come on, bruh. Stop playing. Alright, guys. We got everything hooked up. Everything zip tied. I don't know what the fuck these are for. Everything zip tied.
Good.
Tell them to flick them back on.
Flick your lights.
With the gap cam.
Let's go. We gotta get the controller. That shit changing mad colors. These are not LGBTQTB lights, alright? These are RGBW. Alright, do not get it twisted, man. For real, be for real.
Tell them
Nah,
to
that red looks crazy. I'm about to throw the red on and slide out. Or the yellow too. Or the blue.
Or the purple. Shit. The red do look tough, bro.
Bruh, if you see this bitch behind you on your ass with the red light, move the fuck out the way, bro. For real, get the fuck in the right lane, cause I'm coming through, boy.
I found that it's a lot easier that if you do it from the top with the pliers, the thing on the bottom to get to here, you can wiggle these and do it even with your fingers, to be honest. Take those out there. Got the 2 screws on the bottom, 1 on the top. Slap those boards in, hook up all the wiring. Zip ties the wires out of the way because you're gonna have a lot of extra wire. So we got zip ties all over this mug. Once we do that, put everything back together how it was, it should be good.